All right, we need to solve this tripartite inequality and then write the solution in set notation. So when we solve this, it's kind of like we treat these inequalities as two equal signs. So instead of two sides to keep balanced, it's kind of like we have three sides to keep balanced. So first we want to isolate 3x. So we minus the 2 from each side, or each of the three sides. So negative 3 minus 2, we get negative 5 is less than or equal to 3x is less than 6. Now we solve for 3, or solve for x by dividing by 3. So that gives us negative 5/3 x is less than or equal to x is less than 2. In this case, I would just leave it as negative 5/3 because it'll be a repeating decimal. So this is what I would leave for your answer. Okay, now we need to write the answer in set notation. This is great news for this problem because basically we'll just write x such that, and then repeat this, negative 5/3 is less than or equal to x is less than 2, and then close it. So that's all it is. So we solve, make sure to work from the three sides, solve for x, and then we can write it in set notation just like that.